On this video I'm going to show the tasks list. This feature is new in Cursor. If you don't have the latest version, you cannot use it, so update Cursor to the latest version. And how it works is basically if you have a prompt that's taking too long to run, you have something else that you want the agent to do after that, you don't need to wait anymore or break the current prompt that's running. You can basically add new tasks and it will run in sequence once they finish the current prompt that is running. So let me show an example here. I just run this prompt to investigate an issue in the database, and then after that I want, for example, that it creates a script to validate the change. So now create a script to validate the change. So if I press enter before, what it will do, it would add this task to be run instead of the current one, but now it gets a new queue. So you can see here it created a queue, and I can move it up or remove it. So same way I created this task, I can create another one. Now test it yourself. So I can keep creating tasks as I see them coming, and I don't need to wait to the current prompt finish to give those prompts, those tasks to the agent. And that's really good because it's really common, at least for myself, that I have the prompt running and the agent is processing something, and then I already know what's the next step, but I need to wait until it ends, and I had to create a tasks file and put it out there and then copy and paste or ask Cursor to read the tasks file and say do task 1 or 2 or 3, and now I can just keep going and keep adding it in Cursor itself, and the agent just organizes that, which is really nice. So that's pretty much it. That's the new feature that they released. I'm liking it so far. Let me know in the comments what you folks think. That's pretty much it for today. Thank you.